I hope it can be heard. This is a song that Violent J and Boondocks did about dissing bitches, about how they loved them and man, fucking kill them. Let me see if I can do it. I could take you into my life and you could be my wife, but I think you're kinda slutting me. No, don't touch me. You trying to get up on all my dollar bills? Well, I'm just a juggalo and I'm gonna keep it fucking real. I hate dirty sluts, I gotta kill them real fast, 'cause when they only coming after what? My cash. They say I'm a pimp, but I gotta slap them real quick. I had to put them in the end of the fence with their heads sticking out. So then I stuck an apple in their mouth and started chopping them up real quick. Heads dropped and made sure that the coyotes picked up the crap because I gotta feed my family. It's crazy, yeah. Do you really want to know how I'm going to have to do when I said he just did you, chop you up? You better not go ahead and sit here and diss me, 'cause that stab comes with the axe quickly. Motherfucker really want to have to try. It doesn't matter if you're a girl or a guy. I'm going to let you know like this. You fuck with me. I got the 17 coming back to chop it up real quick. I've done fucking shows and I've been in the game and I made this motherfucker calm down like rain. Feel my pain when I hit you in the vein with an IV that has poison. This insane. It's like doing heroin, 'cause once again we stepping in and the motherfucker won't pretend. I don't like people fucking with my brain. If you fuck with my heart, man, that shit gets insane. I'm gonna chop you open and eat you up real fast. I'm gonna put you on my grill and just laugh as I see your head just sitting there with a motherfucking tomato inside of your mouth, 'cause I gotta keep it quiet, right? So I make sure it's nice and juicy all night, 'cause when I split your fucking throat, you only have 5 minutes to live, no joke.